Welcome to Open Whispers channel. This is Chris Digos, welcoming you to the arena. When a child is dancing the surrogate dance, he should be told that surrogate dance is the dance of the dead. Surrogate dance, for some of you around the world that probably don't understand the language of the ancestors, should be told that surrogate dance is the dance of the dead. Sometimes when you visit the spirit world, for some of you who must have been dead and come back, you see the kind of dance that the spirit dances, the kind of dance that the dead man dances. That is the dance that is called the surrogate dance. So when a living child is dancing that dance or the dance steps in the arena, an elder or a brother must not fail to tell the child that those dance steps belong to the dead. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, remember to click on the bell sign to enable you get notified whenever we upload a video. When the uninitiated throw sand at the masquerade should know that he has overstayed in the arena. And remember that when the secret whisper of a people turn to open whispers, the tyrant should know that his time is up. Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa. How many times did I call you? 3 times. People may think that there is a thin line between activism and terrorism, and I disagree with them. The act of terrorism and the act of activism, they're like 2 parallel lines that may never meet. So when Simon Ekpa started off by pretending to dance the dance of NNAMDI by answering Nnamdi Kanu's disciple, it was kind of suspicious. Number one is, what do you mean by being Nnamdi Kanu's disciple? Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, known all over the world as a movement that started off fighting for the independence of the people of Biafra. That movement today has been derailed, hijacked, and the accusing finger is going on Simon Ekpa. Somebody who, when I read the profile, I was told he comes from Ebonyi State, a lawyer that lives in Finland. When Nnamdi Kanu was arrested sometime, I think last year or thereabouts, Simon Ekpa, having proclaimed himself to be Nnamdi Kanu's disciple, was mandated to broadcast on a radio that the IPOB organization had, Radio Biafra. He was mandated to broadcast, but within a short time, he was removed. And I was told because he couldn't sign the code of conduct that guided people that broadcast on that channel. From then onwards, it has been accusation and counter-accusation between Simon Ekpa's movement that is called Autopilot and the main organization, that the DOS, which is the, from my understanding, the decision-making body of IPOB. accusing Simon Ekpa for being behind the crisis or the killing going on in the southern part of Nigeria. Remember, this guy is outside the country. IPOB originally declared that on every Monday of the week, people from southeast of Nigeria, in order to show their support to their leader, NNAMDI KANU, will not attend to any business. They will sit at home. Grand businesses in the southeast. Nobody should go to work. Nobody should go to the market. All the shops, all the businesses in the southeast must be shut down. No vehicular movement. And after a while, people started crying out that they were losing money. People were being killed. People who tried to disobey the order to go about their businesses, they were killed. And I was told that NNAMDI KANU, from his prison cell, ordered that IPOB had nothing to do with the enforced Monday sit at home. If they had anything to do with it, it was cancelled. And they ordered people to go about their normal businesses. But obviously it was too late. People had hijacked that movement, continued enforcing sit at home. The southern part of Nigeria, southeast particularly, continued losing billions, especially in Anambra and Imo State. There's two states that have been plagued with these killings and arson. And they have lost billions through the activities of the unknown gunmen. If he had stopped at enforcing sit at home, probably I wouldn't be here talking about this issue. But the problem is that the unknown gunmen, as they are termed, have gone on to kill and maim people of the southeast. Remember, they are not killing people from other parts of the country or Nigeria. They are killing their own people. And that brings the question, because I've done my research, can anybody or any organization who are claiming that they are involved in the emancipation of their people, can they turn and start killing the people they are supposed to free? Can they turn to start killing people they are supposed to emancipate? What is the line between activism and terrorism? The federal government of Nigeria branded IPOB as a terror organization. Everybody cried foul and said that IPOB is a peaceful movement. But if that organization has been hijacked, and Simon Ekpa, as he claims from what I've been reading on social media, that the sit at home can never stop, that the killing in the southeast can never stop until NNAMDI KANU is released. So now, if there are negotiations or the federal government of Nigeria have been engaged to seek a political solution in order to release NNAMDI KANU, and the mayhem, the arson, the killing in the southeast have continued through quote-unquote Simon Ekpa's autopilot organization, are they not undermining the negotiation going on between the prominent Igbo leaders and the federal government of Nigeria to free NNAMDI KANU? Is Simon Ekpa still working for the same purpose when IPOB as an organization has come out to disown Simon Ekpa that he does not belong to them? Who is he working for? And who is this Simon Ekpa? If you say you are a lawyer based in Finland and you want to engage in activism to free your people, shouldn't you come back to Nigeria and lead the fight to free your people? The people you want to free, will you kill them or will you free them in their graves? Common sense should tell you as a lawyer, if actually you are Simon Ekpa, that no organization or freedom fighter will turn against their people or kill their people in the pretense of trying to free them. Nobody does that. So, Whenever people start asking you what kind of school did you attend to, it should dawn on you that there's something you're not doing right. Hello? So, are you a lawyer? Are you lettered? Who is sending you to continue killing prominent Igbo sons and daughters? Who is your paymaster, Simon Ekpa? And come to think about it, my personal opinion, I'm beginning to think and to ask the question, who betrayed Nnamdi Kanu? Am I sure, are we sure, from what is playing out now, that Simon Ekpa, that you did not betray Nnamdi Kanu and lead to his arrest? We are all guilty. Because when this whole surrogate dance started, we elders, everybody kept quiet. I never called the attention to these young people to let them know that surrogate dance is the dance of the dead. Now, who are the losers? The Southeast. The killing and maiming are going on in the Southeast. And the danger is, because I know that the crisis will come to pass. Now the problem in the Niger Delta came to pass. This one will also come to pass someday, and I hope as quickly as possible. But the scars will remain. The victims will sit back and look at those people who killed their loved ones, accepted in the same community. In most cases, it's always difficult to forgive, and there may be reprisal attacks long after this whole thing must have come and gone. This is why Simon Ekpa should be told that surrogate dance is the dance of the dead. You cannot build and destroy. You cannot claim to work for Nnamdi Kanu when actually you are working against him. You cannot claim to work for the Igbo people when you are killing and destroying what they stand for. They call Igbo values. It's against the destruction of life and property. Especially the Igbos value life and see life as sanctity. This is why the name Ndubesi, meaning life, is most important than even money. Simon Ekpa, who are you working for? Simon Ekpa, who the hell are you that you are unleashing this kind of carnage on your motherland? The time for you to retreat yourselves is now. This is Open Whispers. Be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. Thank you.